Thank you, Pitts. I am a filmmaker based in Galveston, Texas, and right in the middle of getting ready to have a movie premiere, I plugged in the wrong cord to my hard drive, which spiked an internal combust and did not allow me to be able to access my files. From a recommendation from a previous filmmaker that I've worked with, he suggested that I use Pitts Does Matter. Of course, when you send over your files in a very sensitive way, paranoia for me definitely existed. However, with the communication and with the responsiveness from the team and being able to review my files and be able to find a time that works best for me and a payment plan, I have successfully been able to see the ability that they have been able to restore all of my files so I can be ready for the film premiere. If you are at any question in time and know that you need someone to be guaranteed to be on your side, I fully, wholeheartedly recommend Pitts. Thank you for your process, and thank you for your patience, and thank you for returning my film back to me in good hands.